Welcome to Sunstock. In the previous video, we learned what the stock market is, how investors make profits, and why stock prices move. But have you ever wondered how traders actually understand whether buyers or sellers are controlling the market? The answer is candlestick charts. In this video, we'll learn everything about candlesticks from the basics. Let's get started. What is a candlestick? Imagine you're watching a football match. If someone only tells you the final score, you'll know who won, but you won't know who attacked more, who defended better, or how exciting the match was. The stock market is similar. If you only know a stock's closing price, you miss the full story. That's why traders use candlestick charts. Each candlestick tells the complete story of what happened to a stock during a specific period of time. Candle body and wicks. Every candlestick has two parts. The thick part is called the body. The thin lines above and below are called the wicks or shadows. The body shows the difference between the opening and closing prices. The upper wick shows how high the price went. The lower wick shows how low the price fell. Green and red candles. There are two main candle colors. Green candle. A green candle means the stock closed higher than it opened. This usually indicates that buyers were stronger during that time. For example, open equals 100 rupees, close equals 110 rupees. The price increased, so the candle is green. Red candle. A red candle means the stock closed lower than it opened. This indicates that sellers were stronger. For example, open equals 110 rupees, close equals 100 rupees. The price decreased, so the candle is red. Candlestick pattern. The most important candlestick patterns, the hammer. A hammer is a bullish reversal pattern that usually appears after a downtrend. It has a small body, a long lower shadow, and little or no upper shadow. Inverted hammer. Even though it looks different from the hammer, it is also considered a bullish reversal pattern and usually appears after a downtrend. An inverted hammer has a small body, a long upper shadow, and a very small lower shadow. Please subscribe for daily stock market lessons. See you in the next short.